Well, friends, we are back once again with an interesting discussion on the real estate sector. Well, real estate sector has been doing extremely well, and suddenly everyone's interest is there in the real estate space. So now in this particular video, we are going to analyze how is the real estate sector faring and what are the prospects of some extremely active stocks. My name is Radha Venkatraman. I'm the co-founder of NeoTrader and also your trading influencer. I've been in the markets for more than 15 years, happily married with a loving wife and an energetic son who keeps me on the run just like the markets. Well, friends, the real estate sector had been a laggard for quite a many years. Well, troubled by the cash crunch, troubled by the lack of interest in buying, especially due to the pandemic. So there were a lot of headwinds which created a problem for this sector. But then, due to all of these, there was also a shift in the perspective, and that was brought about by the government by bringing in low interest rate and also altering the policies to an extent so that it could come out of its 10-year lull, right? Almost for 10 years, the real estate sector has been in a consolidation, and people were not really able to understand well, this bet for making some money in the markets is not working out. But then, over the last few months, we have seen it make a 35 more than 35% return as a group, and some stocks have been really coming out of the belt, and they are hitting the ball out of the stadium. So in all such scenario, how are we going to play out and what are the prospects of certain stocks? That's what we are going to take a look at. Yes, there are positive tailwinds, and now with even the banks also coming into play with lowering their interest rate and supporting the housing development, it's giving the whole sector a very fantastic boost. Also, the current over the last 2 years, the pandemic scenario has created a situation of work from home where people needed some additional space. So that's why there has been an increase in the demand for the residential space as well. So there is a prop up in the commercial as well as residential space, and this has also helped the growing of the real estate sector. Plus, you can see that we are having a very high rate of hiring, and especially with the increase in salary and the festive season around the corner. So a lot of tailwinds are emerging for the real estate sector, and that's why it is catching everyone's attention. Well, I'm sure it has caught your attention too. And if you're watching this video for the first time, or if you're coming to our channel for the first time, be sure to stay till the end of this video because there are some lot of interesting discussions on some very important stocks. And do not forget to hit the subscribe button and also the like button at the end of this video. All right. So with that, let's go right in and find out how are the real estate stocks positioned. Let's take a look at the real estate sector itself, right? Let's take a look at the reality index, which if you see here has been undergoing some sort of strong upward move. You can see here there has been a nice rounding pattern out here, and this nice rounding pattern has given a very good breakout. So once this breakout emerged over the last few days, the strong gust of buying power has pushed this to a historic high, right? You can see here right now the real estate sector was practically in a very strong range bound action. You can see here this range bound action which was there for last so many years has now given away, and you can see here nice rounding pattern. You can even have a cup and handle pattern. So if you see a cup and handle pattern, and if you I drew this on the daily charts. Now if I get it lower, you can see here a nice cup and handle pattern, so which projects the target somewhere to around 200 points from here. So the real estate sector has got more room, and the move in real estate sector is not going to die down. So this is the sector to watch out for in the balance of 2021 and balance of 2022. So यहाँ पर देखकर लग रहा है कि रियल एस्टेट सेक्टर में वापस दम आ गया है, एंड द रोटी कपड़ा मकान जिसके बारे में हम काफी बार सोचते हैं, this is the opportunity to get into the real estate space because those stocks are flying. Well, if you think that the stocks are done away with their movement, I'm sorry, there is more room left out there. So let's go and take a look at some stocks from the real estate space and find out what are the prospects ahead. So first stock, of course, is everyone's darling, right? DLF. So this is DLF on the charts, and you can see here, this is the daily chart or daily chart per dekkar clear. You can see the identification, right? Over since April, it has been making a higher high, higher low, which is an indication of an uptrend, right? So you can see here, there is a nice uptrend here and a steady hold of the trend line clearly suggests that yes, at every possible opportunity, it has moved up. So now, even if you were to use the whole move, right? You can see here that almost it's you can see there is a nice channel formation here, and the channel breakout clearly indicates a possibility of moving towards much higher. So right now it has roundabout reached till here, so there is a clear potential to go much higher. How much higher? Let's take a look at, so there's a trend line. So the channel targets are emerging around 430, 440, so which it has already reached. All right, it's almost reached till there. Now, if you take the concept of Fibonacci levels, you can see here that it has already crossed the 1.618 and it has got potential till 460. So 460 is very much possible in this stock. And if you take a look at the momentum in the lower panel, here RSI never has crossed 70 for last so many months. You can see here this entire year, okay, the starting of the year RSI dipped below 70 and then it has not been able to go above it. Now with the tailwind in the sector, RSI 70 के ऊपर होल्ड कर रहा है अच्छी तरह से, लॉन्ग बॉडी कैंडल दिखाई दे रहा है. So overall prospects of this extremely favorite counter from the real estate space is looking very good. Plus बैंक निफ्टी जो है, बैंक निफ्टी भी अच्छा परफॉर्म कर रहा है, और बैंक निफ्टी इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट सेक्टर विच नीड्स टू परफॉर्म फॉर दी rate sensitive counter. So यहाँ पर this stock could, you can expect this moment to come. So you can see that when Bank Nifty started moving, the real estate sector has also started moving. So there is quite a bit of synergy out there. All right. So ये था DLF का situation, and prospects definitely look much better. So you should look at buying at current levels, buying on dips. So unless 400 is given away, DLF is looking like a good bet. अब चलते हैं दूसरे स्टॉक पर, गोदरेज प्रॉपर्टीज, राइट? गोदरेज प्रॉपर्टीज हैज बीन ऑन अ टेयर, period, right? It has been moving extremely fast, extremely aggressive. If you can see here, over the last 2 months, it has been forming small body candles with clearly absolutely no direction, right? Absolutely no direction. But then there was some bit of movement which was shown. But then come when the mid of September, when the real estate sector started moving, यहाँ पर से जो movement दिखाया हमने, it has been quite aggressive. And right now it is taking some halt out here. And if you take a look again, if I use the concept of Fibonacci levels, you can see here that it has crossed 2.618 as well. Now on the extreme side, 2600 looks to be a possibility, but then it's always advisable to buy the stock on dip because it has actually entered into the overbought zone. Or यहाँ पर any dip is worthwhile buying. So if you take a dip, let's see what are the dip levels to look at. So again, for a dip level, I again go back to my concept of pivot. Pivots are very helpful to find out. और यहाँ पर राइट, यहाँ पर आप देख रहे हैं कि इस पर्टिकुलर जोन जो है, ये पर्टिकुलर जोन जो है, जो मैंने यहाँ पर आपको मार्कआउट करके बताता हूं, राइट? सो दिस पर्टिकुलर जोन, this zone is a very crucial one. So once if it doesn't cross this zone, you can look at lower end towards 2200 as a buying zone in this stock. You can see here that mid of this there is also RSI neutral zone. तो RSI neutral zone के हिसाब से भी एक pullback दिखाई दे रहा है हमें. So better to buy on a pullback towards 2200 because right now the stock is in a range bound situation. And yes, if you want to buy a breakout, wait for 2400 to cross because potential opens up till 2600, right? Godrej Property and DLF are extremely aggressive. भाग गए काफी, लेकिन अब भी एकदम दमदार है, राइट? सो नाउ लेट्स लुक एट सम अदर स्टॉक्स, right? India Bull Real Estate. So this is a stock which has been catching everyone's attention. It's the story has changed in India Bull Real Estate with also attracting some FI investments. So you can see here that the stock is trying to revive its legacy. And yes, the stock, if you can see here, it did have a fair share of run to the upside. And since July, it has dipped down, but then there has been a consolidation. एक चैनल टाइप का फॉर्मेशन चल रहा है यहाँ पे, और एक कोशिश है कि 160 लेवल क्रॉस कर दे. What is the plus point in this chart? The plus point in this chart is that the MACD is now trading above zero. So MACD is a very popular indicator जिसके बारे में मैं अलग से एक वीडियो बनाऊंगा on how to use MACD. But अगर आप MACD देखेंगे तो MACD में fresh momentum दिखाई दे रहा है on the daily charts. So for those who are looking to invest on a multi-day basis, this looks to be a good bet, because right now the prices are available at a very reasonable level, right? You can see here, these are the levels prices are holding, and around 128, 130 is a very good support zone for this, and that's why you are seeing the prices are bouncing off over the last few weeks. Now, if it crosses 160, then the whole stock is going to pick up speed, because the overall momentum is good, momentum is in favor. So you are looking at India Bull Real Estate as a very low risk buy, right? So this is what is the setup now. It is under consolidation, unlike the others where जो stocks भाग गए हैं और फिर आपको उसे पकड़ना पड़ रहा है. ये stock जो है, इसे पकड़ने के पहले, भागने के पहले आप पकड़ सकते हैं. That's what is the message which I'm giving for India Bull Real Estate. Now, the other stock which I would like to talk about is Prestige. Prestige Estate is also a very good counter. It has got very strong momentum after spending some consolidation. You can see here similar rounding pattern in the month of June and July. And after that, so May, June, July was spent in rounding. The rounding targets were achieved. And now the stock has a tendency to produce a pullback and then move strongly upward. So you can see here, every time it produces a pullback, there is a sharp move, produce a pullback, sharp move, produce a pullback, sharp move. And then now the move continues. So you can see here, the overall prospects of this stock continues to build higher. And you can see that there is a steady move to the upside. The best thing about that is that on the weekly charts, right? On the weekly charts, I found that the stock had spent sufficient time in consolidation. You can see here, the stock has spent sufficient time in consolidation. So इसका मतलब है कि इसका overall prospects जो है काफी बढ़िया है, क्योंकि काफी consolidation के बाद it has been producing good nice long body candle on the weekly charts. और इस पे अगर आप if you were to put on the RSI, you can identify that yes, it had spent some time in consolidation. Now it is firmly above 70. So this would be my very good bet. काफी जो जानी पहचानी स्टॉक्स है like DLF, Godrej Property, इसमें तो काफी लोग जाते हैं. But then I am doing this video to tell you that there are many other stocks which are moving, and I have picked up some of them right now. I'll be doing another one where I will be reviewing more stocks. But then these are the stocks which I found where the setup was good, and I thought that it may be of interest to you. So you can see here there's a nice consolidation and a move. RSI is firmly holding above 70. यहाँ पर एक छोटा सा पुल बैक भी आया है 70 पर, और वहां से दोबारा चल दिया है. So overall prospects of this Prestige is very, very strong. So you should definitely look at this counter from a promising point of view as an investment bet or as a multi-day bet, not from a trading bet, because this is not a trading stock. The trading stocks, if you are an active day trader or a multi-day trader, you could look at DLF and Godrej Property, but the other three stocks are more from an investment point of view. So the fifth stock is Brigade Enterprise. Brigade Enterprise is a very good stock. It has been suffering some period of consolidation. So this is stock which is not yet got off the hook, right? So you can see the daily charts here, which are clearly indicating that it has been spending some time And if you take a look at the daily chart, I have used the concept of ADX DMI. तो यहाँ पर ADX DMI के सेटअप से लग रहा है कि ओवरऑल प्रोस्पेक्ट्स जो है यहाँ पर एक अच्छा पुल बैक आया था. So you can see here there was a pullback and then the stock continues to move higher. So it is making a higher high, higher low. और इसका जो ADX है काफी दमदार है और हमें इंडिकेट कर रहा है कि यहाँ पर ऊपर जाने की और संभावना है. And you can see here, even if I move to the daily, if I move to the weekly charts, you can see here that the ADX is just getting started and the trend continues to go up. So there is still some more room, right? That's what is the overall outlook. And if I were to check out the charts, right? So if I just do again my target calculation, I'll be able to see that prospects till 520 is there in Brigade Enterprise as well. So the overall prospect of Brigade Enterprise is also looking very good. And when you take a look at all these stocks are extremely active. They are being continuously participated in. And I'm sure that these kind of pointers will help you to participate in the real estate space, because I truly believe that the real estate space is very, very powerful right now. And you should always look at the sector which is in action, because that's where the money is. So I hope you enjoyed looking at this analysis. You got some pointers on some key stocks, and you know what are the action points in these stocks, how are they placed for the near future. And I'm sure that you will be able to also act on them. If you like what I shared, and if you feel that yes, you can act on them, do leave a like on this video and do share and comment on this video, because your love and support is what brings me back to share with you what are the kind of analysis which you can do, how you can look at the markets, and how you can participate in a steady manner. Well, more sectors, more stocks, more outlook coming away from Raja Venkatraman. Thank you for watching this video. I'll catch you in the next one.